The Wing and the Wanderer. Under the heat of the golden summer sun, a tiny ant named Eleni was very thirsty. She had spent the morning gathering seeds, and now her throat felt as dry as the dusty path. She followed the sound of rushing water until she reached the edge of a wide, sparkling river. Eleni reached down to take a sip, but the riverbank was slippery with mud. Suddenly, her tiny feet lost their grip. With a small gasp, she tumbled forward and fell into the cold, fast-moving water. The current was much stronger than she was, and it began to sweep her away from the shore. High above, in the branches of a leafy willow tree, a silver-gray dove named Volos was resting. He heard the tiny splash and looked down with his sharp, kind eyes. He saw Eleni struggling in the waves. Volos knew he had to act quickly to save the little traveler. Volos carefully plucked a large, sturdy green leaf from the branch with his beak. He took flight and hovered over the spot where Eleni was bobbing in the water. He let go of the leaf, and it drifted down through the air like a tiny emerald boat, landing right next to her. Eleni grabbed onto the edge of the leaf and pulled herself up. She shivered as she sat in the center of her new raft. The wind blew the leaf gently toward the muddy bank. When the leaf finally touched the soft earth, Eleni scurried off, safe and sound. She looked up at the tree and whispered a quiet thank you. A few days later, a hunter named Thanos came walking through the woods. He moved very quietly, wearing a heavy cloak and carrying a large woven net. He was looking for something to catch, and he spotted Volos resting peacefully on the very same willow branch. Eleni was nearby, looking for crumbs, when she saw Thanos sneaking up on her friend. She noticed the net and realized that Volos did not see the danger. He was too busy preening his feathers. Eleni knew she had to help the bird who had saved her life. Eleni hurried across the grass as fast as her 6 legs could carry her. She reached the hunter's bare heel and took a deep breath. With all her strength, she gave him a sharp, stinging bite. Thanos let out a loud cry of pain and jumped into the air, dropping his heavy net on the ground. The sound of the hunter's shout echoed through the trees. Volos snapped his head around and saw the net lying on the grass and the man rubbing his foot. Realizing the danger, Volos beat his powerful wings and soared high into the blue sky, far out of the hunter's reach. Later that evening, Volos flew down to find Eleni near the river. They stood together in the soft twilight. "Thank you for saving me, little friend," Volos said with a bow of his head. Eleni smiled, knowing that no matter how small you are, a kind act is never wasted. Kindness is always returned.